Hello and I welcome you all to Techie Raman's YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can make these trending Instagram reels using this effect. For that, we have to follow few simple steps. The very first step we need to follow is to install this application, and for that you can visit our Telegram channel and join there to install this application. Once you will install this application, as a step 2, what you need to do is you need to download a VPN. In this case, I would suggest Proton VPN because this will not make an impact on your internet speed, so I would suggest you to use this VPN only. And once you will install this VPN, you need to open the application and connect your internet with the available server. In my case, my internet is already connected with the Netherlands server. So once you connect your internet with the available server, you need to open your CapCut application which you have just installed from our Telegram channel. So once we open this application, you will see there are various options available there. You need to click on template and you need to find a template called by 2022. You will find various templates coming in the results. You have to select the very first template, click on that and click on use template. Once you do that, you need to select the photos from your gallery to make these reel effect. For that, you need to select 29 photographs in order to complete this reel effect. So let me just select these photographs quickly. So once you will select 29 photographs, you need to click on preview. This will take a few seconds. Now as you can see, our template is completely ready to be downloaded. And if you wanted to edit the text in this video, you can simply click on text, click on edit, and you can add whatever you want. Simply click on done, and once you are done with the editing of the text, click on export and your template will be downloaded. And to add the music in this video, you can simply go on the Instagram and find the similar audio and you can save it and use it in any of your reels. That's all for today's video. I hope you would like the given information. To watch more informative videos like this, please make sure to subscribe the Techie Raman's YouTube channel and follow us on our other social media handles like on Twitter or Instagram to get regular updates. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, take care.